Greetings from Tsofttech. We are excited to announce our new workshop on cicd automation toolkit, online training led by our experienced faculty member Mr. Hari. Tools cover tools and services we are going to learn in this workshop. Git plus GitHub, Maven, Docker, SonarQube, Kubernetes, Nexus repository, Jenkins, and one live project. Highlights of the session. Learn from real-time experts. Proven and real-time methodologies. Providing daily recording videos. Providing session material. Lifetime access for course materials. The workshop is scheduled on 22nd, 23rd and 24th December at 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily. This is a wonderful chance to increase your knowledge and experience in the industry. Limited seats only. Don't miss this opportunity to expand your knowledge and experience. Just scan the QR code for a quick registration procedure. Join us today and push your career to new heights.